Hi, my name is Dylan Foltz, and today I'll be going over my multimedia presentation. So this week we were required to come up with a government leadership scenario, and I thought with a desire in law enforcement I would go over a scenario in the jail system. I felt like within the jail system the skills theory fit very well. This theory tries to focus on skills rather than um, traits that will make a better leader. The skills theory includes three skills, including technical skills, human skills, and conceptual skills. The next theory that I thought was a good fit for the situation was situational leadership. And it's when a leader changes to the follower style and the follower doesn't have to adapt to the leader. Servant leadership theory focuses on the needs of the followers and pays full attention to them. The leader should always be a servant first and never try to strive for too much power, which I think is an important leadership quality. The Herzberg's two-factor theory focuses on motivators and hygiene factors, which are basically, um, I guess you can call them like dissatisfaction qualities. The two factors, many of the factors for satisfaction are achievement, recognition, responsibility, advancement, and growth. And some of the factors that would include dissatisfaction are poor company policies, or lots of supervision, um, the relationships you have with coworkers, your working conditions, salary, status, and poor job security. Um, Part of the requirement for today's multimedia discussion board was to discuss the leader I would like to follow, and I would say the leader that I would like to follow is a situational leader, because not everybody is the same. Everybody's a little bit different and unique in their own way. So I feel like that type of leadership fits best for the person that I like to follow. The leader that I would want to be would either be somewhere in between the skills theory and the situational leadership theory, just because I feel like both of those are good qualities in a leader. Hope you guys enjoyed the discussion board. See you guys next week.